this big consolidation period, and now we saw the break, the retest, a nice candle bounce. So now we should start to see nice trends coming in also. I still believe we should see about $100,000 by the end of the year. It could even go to 110, 15, 120,000. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Thursday, 7 November 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the US dollar, the Aussie and the CAD, and short mainly on the yen, the Swiss and the euro. If we look at the dollar index, obviously yesterday a record-breaking run in the markets, the biggest in 8 years. Most likely the previous one was exactly when Donald Trump won the 2016 elections, and now big one coming up there, landslide victory. Now the market's got clarity. Market will still wait for the FOMC meeting tonight, unemployment claims this afternoon, to get direction. But I think from here on we should see good direction, clarity in the market. The market loves clarity, so we should see nice trending markets. Just don't jump in too quickly. All we need is to wait for setups, retracements. Don't chase the market. So obviously we should see some retracement, profit taking after yesterday, most likely back to the structure here, support, resistance, resistance. So most likely it's going to come and test this here somewhere later this week or today, and then bounce from there, maybe continue up the page. But to reduce interest rates we need a weak dollar. It might just retrace further than we think, but we will see what they do tonight. They do predict a 25 basis points drop. Most likely we will get that. Then moving on to gold, my gold trade got hammered out of it, just turned on me. I did the breakout trade there and then just turned on me. But that's why we trade quite small positions during election periods, because some things can change any minute. It's a very, very volatile period. It's not my time to trade really. I take my trades, I follow my strategies. I got some good ones, I got some bad ones during the period, but I kept it very small in general because I know what these elections look like, and they can be crazy. Although market priced in, I think for the last 2-3 weeks a Trump win, if you look at the dollar index, and still the volatility was crazy, as if it was this big surprises. But there's always this doubt, and then once they get clarity, then the market is enough. They would go into a frenzy and say, right, now we are fine. Look at the daily charts on gold, retracement hitting the 78%, so I'm not that keen. I'll see tomorrow if it got a strong bounce today, but this shows me some weakness on the present trend, on this bullish trend here. So for now, I am stepping a little bit aside. Most likely I will wait for any trades until Monday next week. I don't think I will jump into anything unless my strategy gives me clear entries. So when you look at Bitcoin, new all-time high, very nice. So what happened now is that we had this big consolidation period, and now we saw the break, the retest, a nice candle bounce. So now we should start to see nice trends coming in also. I still believe we should see about $100,000 by the end of the year. It could even go to 110, 15, 120,000, but I'm not going to make that bold statement. So expect retracements. Market doesn't go up in a straight line. At least we are done, hopefully, it looks like it, with the sideways range that we had for 8-9 months. Now we've got direction, clarity in the market, but expect retracements. Don't chase the thing. We wait for the retracements to see if we can pick it up. I didn't do that much except for my monthly purchasing, but I didn't do much here on the shorter time frames here on the daily charts. So retracements should come in, could retest the previous all-time high there. I think that was that level, now zoomed out way too far. I think that was the previous all-time high. It touched it there, sold off, and then break it up the page now. So now we're going to see rhythmic moves up the page, hopefully, and that's what I will trade. I will not chase into the market. I've been buying since 2016. I've been buying Bitcoins and cryptos and everything as they would come available. And that's exactly the attitude we should have. Buy monthly dollar average and then take little opportunities on retracements. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Looking at the Forex markets, not that I'm going to do that much, but there are a few that I'm watching, and if they give solid setups, I will trade them. Look at the pound CAD, pound neutral, but the CAD green zone, pretty strong. Quite surprised to a certain extent that it's chasing the dollar heavily, and the Aussie, you know, all the sparkle. Just okay, they are fighting with the top spot there now. I can see they're jumping around, but Aussie, all the sparkle. Yen, obviously, bottom of the pile. The CAD there is the one that I want to be longing. By shorting this, that will help me, but I'm not going to trade this one. Here's the Tokyo session reversal. I won't do that one. So if I see another test there, trend stays bearish, and I see a nice counter reversal, yes, I will consider some shorts here. Then on the pound, and I will be automatically be long on the CAD. Euro US, big drop, and now the retracement trend has turned bearish. Structure coming in there, 61 to 50%. You can see the nice range there, structure coming in there. Look at euro in the red zone, dollar green zone. So yeah, I want to be short here. Then the New Zealand yen, also big run up the page. New Zealand also busy gaining together with the Aussie. But I'm after the yen here mainly. The yen is bottom of the pile, so I need to be short there. So going long here, but I'm not going to chase it up there. I would like to say, if it retraces back to the 61% level, one can even use this level. Yeah, it's a little bit older, but we can use both of these levels. You can see there's structure coming in at both those levels. But any counter reversals off this area, as long as the trend stays bullish, and as long as the yen stays bottom of the pile and the New Zealand looks fairly strong, I will then take this long. Then the Euro New Zealand, Euro dropping heavily everywhere. I'm quite surprised, but alright, a retracement back to that level. If you look at the euro there, New Zealand there, so I'm after the euro short still, brand new trend coming up. So I would like to get early in as long as that stays red. You see the retracement back to 61%, nice structure coming in there. So strong counter reversals there, I'll definitely consider some shorts. Then the Aussie Swiss, also strong run on the Aussie, all the sparkles. Swiss red zone fighting with the bottom of the pile there. So I would like to be long, but I'm not chasing. I want to see a retracement back to the trade zone, 50 to 61% level. Structure coming in there. You can see there's nice support, 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 resistance, resistance, support. So that's a strong level. If it gets there, I'll get interested. Other than that, I'll do nothing. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.